Hey guys, it's Big Bazza here from Big Bazza's Kitchen. How you going? Hey, today I've gonna try the new Oreo sugar-free Coke. I don't know if it's a limited edition or not. I don't know. It's a Coke zero sugar. Yeah, so I thought it's a hot day. I thought, well, I'm gonna give it a go and see what it tastes like. So it comes in a 250ml can. So we'll give it a taste. We'll give it a sniff taste first. So it's got like a creaming soda sort of taste to it. Straight off the bat, it's got a creaming soda sort of texture. You know that creaming soda sort of taste? I can't really taste the Oreo flavouring coming through, not at all, no. It's nice. It's definitely, I can't taste any Oreo sort of flavouring in here, but yeah, like I said, it's more of a creaming soda sort of taste to it. Okay guys, so that's going to be my product review. 10 being the best, 1 being the lowest score. I'm going to give it a maybe a okay, it cost me $2.50, so a reasonable price, I suppose. A taste, yeah, I'm going to give it a 5-star rating. So, look, overall rating, I'm going to give it maybe a 7.5-star rating. Overall taste, you know, for the cost and the flavouring. It doesn't taste like Oreo biscuits as such, but yeah. But otherwise, it passes, barely. Would I buy it again? I would. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, and I'll see you later in the next video. See you later.